Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the only Instagram link in bio tool you're going to need to make sales on Instagram. Gone are the days of having multiple accounts and multiple tools making things way too complicated. Having one subscription over here, another subscription over there to so many different tools is just too complicated. And life can be so busy. I want to help you make your business run way smoother. Before we dive into the video, I just want to let you know that I've put any links to resources that I have in the comment section below of the video, so definitely check those out. And if you find my content useful today, please make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep creating more content for you guys. So why is the link in bio so important? Most of you will be familiar with the fact that you can put links in your Instagram bio, but why is it so important to nail it? Back in the day, you could actually only have one link in your Instagram bio, but now you can put multiple links. It's pretty basic and it doesn't do really much of the selling for you because the look and feel of it is just kind of basic. And you only have about 1.4 seconds to impress someone with a reel and then get them to your link in bio. And it seems a real shame if you don't maximize that link in bio opportunity that you have without overcomplicating things. Now, if you have the right link in bio tools and templates set up, it looks so much more professional, it sells and builds your brand and just looks way better. And these are all of the things that we want and need. When Instagram used to have one link option, people either used to use just that one link and use that opportunity to have that link go directly to their website, or using a tool called Linktree. Now, the only thing with Linktree is that its sole and only purpose is to be a landing page where you can put multiple links. That's it. Now, don't get me wrong, its functions serve a purpose. And for some people, that's like really good. But now that we're living in the age of work smarter, not harder, I think we can use something a little bit better. Something that's not only serves as a link in bio or a landing page, but also helps us to sell automatically on Instagram too. Now, while Linktree has lovely looking templates, is beginner friendly, and has really been that go-to link in bio tool for a really long time, it is very basic in terms of looking at it as an overall business tool. And it doesn't really have very much room to really grow your business. The second best option is to use your own website. If you can create a page on your website that acts like a link in bio landing page, then you're consolidating all of your tools and you're using something that you already have. The other benefit to using your own website as your link in bio is that you're driving traffic to your own website, not another platform. And this is great for SEO. But let me introduce you to the ultimate and only Instagram link in bio tool you are ever going to need. And that is called System.io. System.io is the most advanced yet user-friendly marketing tool that I have ever used. My top favorite features of System.io are the fact that you can create funnels, automatic email campaigns, you can build a website, you can build a blog, you can sell digital products, create and sell courses, and there is just so many more features and functions, as well as obviously creating an Instagram link in bio page. Now, not only that, but there are so many learning resources available, it makes running an online business so much easier. The real difference with System.io is that its whole concept is to help you sell more, rather than just being design focused like Squarespace or Wix, where the design kind of comes first and then the marketing tools kind of come as an add-on, like a later add-on. Now, System.io comes from a place where making sales and setting up automation is essential. And I think that's how it should be in business. Now, I'm not saying that the other platforms are bad, just that they are designed slightly differently. There are also a whole load of other features as well in System.io, but I think I'm going to let you explore those. Now, I've got a one-click install template called the Abigail template. It's based off of a really successful digital product seller called Abigail Pugh, and it's going to help you get your link in bio together much faster with System.io. You can grab that from the comment section below the video, so grab it now. But let me jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you how you can easily update this template to match any brand. Okay, so I wanted to show you how easy it is to customize this template to absolutely anything. And I'm talking any niche, any industry, and any colors, any look and feel, everything like that. So even though this at the moment is designed for like a digital product seller, it can be used for any niche. So I actually found this really cool dog photographer on Instagram, and I noticed that her link in bio kind of looks like this. And I just thought, man, there is a way that we can make this a little bit cooler because her photos are so cool and what she does is really cool as well. So what I'm going to do is I am going to grab some of her content and grab some of her colors just to show you how easy it is to update. So I'm going to grab this green because this is obviously one of her dominant colors that she has, and I'm going to go back to the editor. Now you can see throughout all of here that the colors are red. So I'm just going to go to the main settings for now and just make sure that I change main settings first, because this is kind of like a global color, I guess. So that is why I sort of change it there. Now then I'm going to go through and I'm going to just see what her website looks like. And she usually has like yellow and yellow buttons. So that's what I'm going to do for those. And I think I'm just going to stick to the green for around here, because I think that that's going to like make these stand out and look really nice. So I'm just going to go through and you can see I've just added the color code in there and that's like already green, which is really cool. I'm just going to do a few just so you can see what it looks like, but it's super simple. You can see I'm just going through and I'm just changing the different colors of the borders. And I am going to see what that yellow looks like that she has, because I quite like that yellow. So that's the color that she has there. So I'll grab that color and you can see already that just by changing the colors, it is already transforming this template into something that she would use herself. So she actually typically has square. So I would probably also change all of this to square as well. So the row of this one has actually got a border radius. So I would change that to 0. And I would probably change this to being a square button as well. I prefer to use solid color buttons when they're on templates like this, just because they stand out a little bit more. So I'm just going to get rid of the rounding and I'm going to make it completely square. And I would do the same for the rest of the buttons. So you can see here, I would just get rid of the border radius and we would turn it to square, which is pretty cool. So let's go through and I will show you how you update the graphics. So I've got the Canva template here, which I've created, which has all of these on here, and you can just update these however you like, and it's really easy. So I've actually just grabbed a photo of hers from her website, because funnily enough on her link in bios, there's no photo of her, so I don't even know. And that looks really cool. Now it's set as a circle already. She already had a really cool graphic. If I was just using, like, let's just say I had another photo, let's just say that's what it looked like. You know, it doesn't matter. The circle is already there. So what I would do from here is I have actually grouped these, because in Canva, the only way to get stuff out of Canva when it's like a PNG is to group things together. And then you download the selection and you download it as a transparent background. So I would do that and I would come back to the template and all I would do is upload that new Canva image. Of course, I would always make sure that I named it something correctly, and that would be for SEO purposes. And I would just upload and put that into there. Now I would just make sure that the sizing, of course, was a bit different, because we don't need to have something so huge. And you can see already that this is being customized for her. So I would also change this. Like I had a look at some of the links that she had, and I would probably, I think I wrote some of them down. I'd probably add like a free guide, you know, training dog tips for better photos. She also had a link for like people to sign up if they wanted to travel to her. I would suggest that, obviously, because she's a service provider, that like she could do like an ultimate DIY pet photography kit, and that could have like templates and printable backdrops and all that kind of stuff, and that could be suited to the digital product. But anyway, I digress. So she also wanted to promote this calendar that she had as well, that was through another company which is benefiting these beautiful dogs. So this is just a normal link, and what she would do is just, she could update, you know, a button here. She could update the link to that link that we just went to. I'm just going to screenshot it. So I would go into there and I'm just going to grab that beautiful image, and because I just want to show you how versatile it really can be. So I will just drag and drop this in here, and I will save this. And you can see that it will already start to look like something completely different. But that is basically how you would go through and update this. And I would recommend that whatever industry that you're in, you always want to have like something for free that you give away that you can get people's email addresses for. So you can see how versatile that the Abigail template actually is. And with this whole template, it's more like a whole system that you get, because not only do you get the design of this, making it look way better than, you know, say something like this, but you also get System.io, where in the back end, it has all of the email campaigns, and it has, the order forms and things like that to create like your own digital products. So if I just go back down here and I show you here, this is where you would put your digital products. So if you're really serious about maximizing your Instagram marketing, it is time to ditch the basic link in bio tools and use something like System.io. You will have way more control, you'll have better marketing features, you're future-proofing your business, and ultimately, all of this will lead to more success. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me any questions below. I answer all of my comments. And check out this video. It's going to help you level up even further.